Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about CI/CD overview. I hope from the previous video, you got idea of what is CI/CD pipeline. As we know that software development process having 6 stages, and making these 6 stages automatic is an idea of CI/CD. Now, the objective of our course is to set up CI/CD pipeline through GitLab. So, I'm going to talk about why we are going to use GitLab to set up CI/CD pipeline. In short, I want to tell you why we are going to use GitLab to set up all these 6 stages in automatic mode for our software development. After this video, your concept about CI/CD pipeline through the GitLab will be very clear. Now, let's talk about this CI/CD overview. Introduction of CI/CD. CI and CD automate the process of software development. CI is about to automatically combine code changes from the different developer into the single project, ensuring everything works together. First 2 steps of software development, first 2 stages, as you know that, right? Let's open this mind map as well. We know about the coding stage and integration stage. Now, these 2 are actually part of CI. CD takes further by automatically putting these combined changes into the use, making update software available to the users. CI/CD makes developing, testing and releasing software faster and more reliable, turning these 6 stages, coding, integration, testing, deploying, monitoring and maintaining, into the automated streamlined process. If you look at here, we have deployment stage. It is actually part of CD. So, I hope your idea about CI/CD pipeline is now crystal clear. Let's talk about point number 2, because we are going to set up CI/CD pipeline using GitLab, so we must have clear understanding about GitLab. And we also have to have knowledge about why we are using GitLab over here. If you are learning GitLab, is it your advantage or not, right? So, after these 2 mind map points, your confusion will be very clear as well. So, GitLab provides comprehensive integrated solution for CI/CD, enabling teams to automate the entire software lifecycle from coding to deployment without necessarily relying on additional tools. So, in the previous video, I already explained you about all these tools. For each and every stage, we have some tools. For example, for coding, we are using Git and GitLab. For integration, we are using Jenkins or Circle CI. For testing, we are using Selenium JUnit. So, if you want to go with this particular solution, you can. But what if I am telling you that we have one tool which can automate all the 6 stages of our software development life cycle? And this tool is GitLab. If you are going to use GitLab to set up your CI/CD pipeline, you don't need to use different tools at each and every stages. You can use one tool, and this tool will provide you automation of all the 6 stages. It provides integrated platform to support both CI, continuous integration, continuous deployment and delivery, allowing developer to automate the test, build and deploy code changes. GitLab comprehensive CI/CD pipeline are configurable, making it easy for terms to adapt them and their specific development process. So Git is not just a repository management tool. Sorry, GitLab is not just a repository management tool. It is not a centralized repository and you are using this in a collaborative environment. No. GitLab is also providing us CICD pipeline facility. And imagine you don't need to use all these tools to set up CICD pipeline if you are using GitLab. Now, I am giving you 7 reasons to use GitLab for CICD pipeline. Okay, and because of these 7 reasons, CloudFolks first course about DevOps is Git with GitLab. Okay, now let's discuss about this.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.